Hello and welcome to the final video for the final project of XML with Jason. This video we're going to look at XQuery, we're going to look at the XSL document to transform our XML. So basically we've got our templates. We'll apply templates to Gettysburg Address, and what I wanted to do was preface it with this important historical speech marker, and then basically to make it a little more neat, after all of our lines are read out, we want to make a line break so it's a little cleaner. So that's going to take care of Gettysburg Address for green eggs and ham. Again, when we are done, we want a nice clean break at the end, but also what I wanted to do was preface each element or line with the appropriate marker. So if it's Sam I Am speaking, we have him, and then creatures, so makes it a little bit more readable, kind of like a screenplay. Then after each line there's a nice clean line break for readability. And we have a similar format for United States Constitution. We're going to have a break after each thing. And basically similar format. I wanted to make a nice bold declaration. We have preamble, Article 1. Just so when we're looking at it, it's a lot of text, but at least with these things, it kind of helps us keep up and see what's what. So let's try opening it. Yeah, it doesn't work in Firefox because I have some HTML stuff, so, and I don't think that's a HTML compliant browser, or XHTML, so let's try it. Okay, so when we put it into our Microsoft browser here, we can see the formatting. So we've got the historical speech that's talking about the Gettysburg Address, and then you can see each part of green eggs and ham is prefaced, so we can read it and understand it a little better. So we have the creatures line, not in a box, not with a fox. So that's kind of a cool thing. Again, with the Constitution, we got the preambles, so we know that's what we're reading. Article 1, we've got all kinds of stuff here we can learn about. Article 2, etc. And we can see our whole document is formatted, which is very nice. So that's for the transformation part of it. So the last thing, let's take a look at a few X queries. So this particular one is for the U.S. Constitution element, and basically what we're going to say is if it's a child, return children. If it's an adult of U.S. Constitution, we're going to return adult. So we can see it's an adult, it's the child of the U.S. Constitution. So we have our tag here. So that's kind of an interesting thing. It could pick out some of the different elements within elements. And then for the final .xquery for Gettysburg Address, basically this is going to make a list of the data elements in order. So if I run it, you can see I've got a nice list, HTML list of those elements there. And last but not least, we've got an XQuery for green eggs and ham. Basically, for each Sam I Am item, we're going to count how many times it occurs and return that count. So when we run it, we see it occurs 10 times. So that's what I have for the final project. I'd like to thank you for watching and have a great day.